Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue with the error function address caused a protection fault while trying to access your printer on your Windows 10 system, then try the following solutions sequentially. The first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Click on the Start button, select Settings, scroll down to Update and Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, click on Additional Troubleshooters, select the printer troubleshooter and click on Run the troubleshooter and let it run. Once this is done and it doesn't help, you can try running an SFC or DISM scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window, and in this window type the command sfc /scan now. Hit enter to initiate the SFC scan, and this will need some time. When you restart the computer, the SFC scan will start rebuilding missing and corrupt system files. The third solution would be to change the default printer, and it isn't actually permitted by Windows unless you tweak an option. So click on the Start button, select Settings, go to Devices, go to the Printers and Scanners tab, scroll down to this option, Let Windows manage my default printer. In a few earlier versions of Windows, it is mentioned as allow Windows to manage my default printer. Basically, it's the same thing. Uncheck this box, go to whichever printer you wish to select manage, set it as default, and this is done. If this doesn't help either, then you can consider reinstalling the printer driver. However, it is advised not to install it through the device manager because the previous version may be corrupt. So the best option is to download the printer drivers from your manufacturer's website and install the latest version directly. Kindly contact your printer manufacturer for the same. The fifth solution is to restart the print spooler service. Press the Windows key and R to open the run window. Type the command services.msc and hit enter to open the service manager window. Scroll down to the print spooler service, right click on it and select restart. This will restart the print spooler service. The sixth solution is through the registry editor. Now to open the registry editor, press the Windows key and the R button and type the command regedit and hit enter. This will open the registry editor window. Now go to this path mentioned here in the article, which is HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current user, and Windows once again. In the right pane, check for the entry Legacy Default Printer Mode, which is this one. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK to save the settings, and this is done. By this solution, you would have resolved the problem for sure, but in the rarest of cases where it doesn't happen, you could consider performing a system restore, which has been explained over another video. If you still have any doubts, then please go to the original article on the Windows Club. The link has been shared in the description section. Scroll down to the comments and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.